The main attractive thing is actually your bindi. You always put a big bindi on your forehead. Is there any reason or just for a look?
The reason behind it is actually the only dharma. So everyone today talks about the Kundalini chakra, and this Agnya chakra is triggered when you put this bindi. I don't want to put this because it doesn't suit my dress. What you may adopt the westernized dress. Okay, if you like it, wear it, but never forget your dress.
Hari Om, Amma.
Hari Om, Ram, how are you?
I'm really good, Amma.
How
Thank
is
you
your
so much.
channel doing?
All good, Amma. All good. With your blessings, everything fine, Amma. All
So you
fine.
have a channel in Tamil, right?
Yes, Amma. Yes,
Okay,
Amma.
what's the name of your channel?
Ireva, Amma.
Ireva. Okay.
Thank you, Amma.
So keep doing well.
Thank you so much, Ma. Thank
You
you
have
so much.
any question for me today?
Yes, Amma. Ma, it's always like and happy to see you. The reason because your divine, blissful face.
Oh God. Okay.
The main reason, the main attractive thing is actually your bindi. You always put a big bindi on your forehead. Is there any reason or just for a look?
No.
Okay.
I should tell you, though I put a big bindi, whether it's big or small, it's a material. The reason behind it is actually the only dharma which initially, now everyone talks about the third eye. But the third eye, see, we all know Shiva has third eye. Not only Shiva, all our gods and goddesses have three eyes. The third eye is the Agnya chakra, the command chakra. Agnya, it
Agnya
means
chakra.
command. What command? Command over all your five senses. That's Agnya chakra. So everyone today talks about the Kundalini chakra, and this Agnya chakra is triggered when you put this bindi. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So in our Sanatana Dharma, see, there is a saying in Tamil, I don't know how it is there. Neerilla netri, par netri. So if the forehead is empty, without anything, it is, devoid of everything. It's ruined. Because this is the place, lalatam, the forehead is very, very important. Because from here up to here, there are 10 chakras, minor chakras, and manas chakra. So that's why we put the
Vibhuti
bhasma and everything. So all these are triggered by this. And for look, people think it's for simply look. So there are two sects which are happening here. One is, I don't want to put this because it doesn't suit my dress. I
Yeah,
see,
that.
yeah, it's my fashion. People say that. And yeah, good. You don't put, no problem. Say, we are telling you the science behind it. And also, we are telling that this Agnya chakra has to be triggered, especially for women who is handling so many things. And avatar of Devi, you have to see yourself as Devi in yourself. Okay, so we advise you to wear that. So trigger your Agnya chakra. This is the symbolism of the third eye. The third eye is awakened. Then all your activities will be good. Your health will be good. All so many things are related. It's actually a acupressure point also. So we advise you to wear it. Whether you wear it or not, you're still a Bharatian, a Indian. What you may adopt the westernized dress. Okay, if you like it, wear it. But never forget your tradition. So this is one side. Okay. So I'm wearing a jean. The worst dress on earth is jean. You say it's comfort. I don't know how comfortable it is. Okay. I'm not talking that topic at all. So I am not going to discuss anything about it. Okay. Because jean was discovered for a cold country.
Yes.
And also where they cannot wash it.
Yeah.
We live in a country where we insist that you wash your clothes and wear it every day. And also, we insist that wear some loose fitting clothes so that they'll be well ventilated, aerated, and all your organs, because we're living in a very hot country, and all your organs and especially the genitals have to be well ventilated so that your fertility will be good. That's all. Very simple. If you're not going it, forget about it. See, I'm not saying that you have to do it. This is a strict and fast rule. Nothing. It's all left to you. Think and do it. That's all. So again, those who are keeping this, there's one more thing. Nowadays, it's become a fashion to have a sticker. And that sticker with the stones and that and this and beauty, this shape, that shape, whatever. See, there are only two shapes. One is circle or the tilakam we put on top. Kasturi tilakanchita. That indicates the kundalini rising up. You understand? The tilakam we keep here. Kasturi tilakanchita is one of the nama of Lalita Ma. So it indicates the kundalini energy rising up. So these are the two shapes we have here. But all sort of things are there with the thing. So that only you ask me, whether it's for beauty. I don't keep it for beauty. I'm keeping it for this reason. So no stickers. Please do not use stickers. This is my kind request to you. Because the stickers have some glue. Okay, actually there is a micropore here, submicropore here. You can see. In Tamil, we will say Usi Munai Dwaram. It's a needle thinner than the needle shapes pore is there. You understand? So when that is blocked, in the sense fully blocked with a sticker, with a glue, and we talk about so many avoid plastics, isn't it? No plastics, avoid plastics, avoid artificial things. But we are keen on keeping on your Agnya chakra with a glue a plastic. So just think, is it advisable or not? See, I've been telling people so many times about this, but I don't think anybody, most of them have changed, many of them have changed. But some people, they're not, because they say it's comfortable, I can just put it on me, right? Fine. But what are the effects it's making in you? So I advise you to either put it with kumkum, a purely made kumkum, not the colored powder. The pure kumkum should be made out of turmeric powder. So the ingredients which they put in a commercial kumkum powder will cause skin allergies. Okay, they put the alum, potash alum. So the potash alum causes the skin allergy. Some people. So you can make your own kumkum at your home. Very simple. You can take little bit of turmeric, put little bit of lime juice, and you can make it. If this is not working with you, simply take chandan and put a chandan, and on top of it put chandan. On top of it you put the kumkum. And another thing comes. We are traveling. I'm sweating. All these things. It's all there, definitely. Once you're sweating, wipe it off and put another one. Okay, you can put little bit of any coconut oil or something. Just put it on top of it. That's how I put. So it stays. For me, it stays the whole night, whole day. Maybe when you sleep and get up, it may be gone. Morning, you wash your face and you use it. But it's very beautifully, what it is a ritual, or I don't call it as a ritual. It is glorifying you as Devi. Seeing Devi in you, seeing Lalita Ma in you. And I tell people, when you see yourself in the mirror, Sri Matre Namaha, use this finger, the ring finger, take the kumkum, Sri Matre Namaha, give a gentle touch here, visualize Devi dwelling in you. Again, it becomes one of the beautiful, routine one can follow in life. So this is for both men and women. So if you're not happy with the kumkum, put basma, put whatever. So this thought, because we have always realized the worth of this channel.
Amma, it's always pleasure because whenever we ask some questions, you give a very rooted answers, and every small behavior or activities in our Hindu traditional, we have a lot of science, and it's all connected with our body, and it's connected with so much of positive energy. And now people understand what is the reason, the real reason behind the bindi. Thank you so much for your time, Ma. Thank you so much, Hari Om, Ma.
Thank you, Hari.